Imagine this: awesome mountains, perfect snow, and a winter wonderland so magical, it's like you're in a fairy tale. Welcome to the Dolomites, Italy's secret spot for amazing skiing and snow adventures. We're talking about a place where you can ski down world-class slopes in the morning and enjoy a delicious plate of pasta with an incredible view in the afternoon. From cute villages to fancy resorts, the Dolomites mix adventure and Italian fun. Whether you're a skiing pro or just starting out, whether you like cozy nights by the fire or exciting snowshoe hikes, the Dolomites have something for everyone. So, pack your warmest clothes, grab your adventurous spirit, and let's explore the magic of winter in the Italian Alps. First things first, what makes the Dolomites so special? Is it their sheer size, their unique geological formations, or perhaps the way they seem to touch the sky? Let's dive deeper. These aren't just any mountains. They are a marvel of nature, standing tall and proud, with their jagged peaks and sweeping landscapes that captivate anyone who lays eyes on them. These peaks, part of the Southern Limestone Alps, are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which means they're super important for their natural beauty and geology. This designation isn't given lightly. It signifies that the Dolomites hold a special place in the world. Imagine jagged peaks reaching for the sky, their pale limestone faces glowing in the afternoon sun. The play of light and shadow on these mountains is a sight to behold, especially during sunrise and sunset. These mountains are amazing, and they create a dramatic backdrop for all your winter adventures. Whether you're skiing, snowboarding, or simply exploring, the Dolomites offer a playground like no other. But the Dolomites are more than just pretty. They are a testament to the Earth's history, showcasing millions of years of geological activity. The variety of terrains here is perfect for all levels of skiers and adventurers. They show us the history of our planet, with fossils and rocks that tell a story millions of years old. Each layer of rock is like a page in a history book, revealing secrets of the past. So, when you're here, take a moment to appreciate how big and grand these mountains are. Whether you're hiking in the summer or skiing in the winter, the Dolomites offer a sense of scale and beauty that's hard to find elsewhere. Breathe in the fresh mountain air and let the beauty of the Dolomites sink in. Feel the connection to nature and the history that these mountains represent. It's an experience that will truly take your breath away. Now, let's talk about what really makes the Dolomites special. That awesome Italian charm. This isn't your typical ski spot. Here, you'll find a warmth and friendliness that's uniquely Italian. Think cozy huts serving up hearty plates of polenta and hot chocolate. Imagine walking through charming villages with twinkling lights and the smell of roasted chestnuts. And let's not forget the après-ski scene. After a day of skiing, there's nothing better than relaxing with a glass of local wine and a plate of homemade pasta. Yes, the Dolomites have world-class skiing and snowboarding, but it's the perfect mix of adventure and Italian treats that makes them truly special. Now, let's talk slopes. The Dolomites are a skier's paradise, offering a breathtaking blend of natural beauty and world-class skiing facilities. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, there's something here for everyone. The Dolomiti Superski is one of the biggest ski networks in the world, with 12 different ski areas connected by lifts and trails. This means you can explore a vast array of terrains without ever having to take off your skis. That's over 750 miles of skiable terrain, all with one easy ski pass. Imagine the freedom of gliding through such an extensive network, where every turn reveals a new adventure. Imagine skiing easily from one valley to the next, each with its own unique character and charm. From the serene and quiet to the bustling and lively, every valley offers a different experience. Whether you like challenging black diamond runs or easy slopes perfect for beginners, the Dolomites Superski has it all. The variety ensures that every skier, regardless of skill level, finds their perfect run. But with so many choices, where do you even start? The options can be overwhelming, but that's part of the adventure. Each resort has its own unique features and attractions. Well, don't worry, I'm here to help you explore some of the best ski resorts in the Dolomites. From expert guidance to insider tips, we'll make sure you get the most out of your skiing experience. Each one is different, from glamorous high-altitude spots that offer stunning views and luxurious amenities to family-friendly resorts perfect for a relaxing trip. These resorts provide a safe and enjoyable environment for children and adults alike, making them ideal for family vacations. So, get ready, let's explore the best of the Dolomites Superski. Pack your gear, bring your enthusiasm, and prepare for an unforgettable skiing adventure in one of the most beautiful regions in the world. Let's start with Cortina d'Ampezzo, often called the Queen of the Dolomites. This fancy resort town hosted the Winter Olympics in 1956, and it's still glamorous and luxurious. Think fancy shops, amazing restaurants, and of course, some of the most stunning slopes in the Alps. Cortina is perfect for experienced skiers looking for a challenge, with its legendary downhill runs and beautiful scenery. Now, if you're looking for a more relaxed, family-friendly place, Val Gardena is a great choice. This pretty valley has 3 charming villages, each with easy access to lots of beginner-friendly slopes. Imagine learning to ski surrounded by huge peaks and forests, with plenty of cozy mountain huts to warm up in. So, maybe speeding down the slopes isn't your thing. And that's perfectly okay. Not everyone is a thrill seeker looking for that adrenaline rush. The Dolomites offer so much more than just skiing and snowboarding. I get it. The Dolomites are so much more than just skiing. This majestic mountain range, with its snow-covered peaks and serene landscapes, is a winter paradise waiting to be discovered. It's a winter wonderland just waiting to be explored. Imagine vast expanses of untouched snow, glistening under the winter sun, and forests that look like they've been dusted with powdered sugar. One of my favorite ways to enjoy the Dolomites is by snowshoeing. It's a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature, away from the bustling ski resorts. Imagine walking through quiet forests, the only sound, the crunch of fresh snow under your feet. The serenity is almost meditative, allowing you to connect deeply with the natural world around you. The air is crisp and clean, and the sun sparkles on the snowy trees. Every breath you take feels refreshing, and the sight of sunlight dancing on the snow is simply magical. And speaking of those peaks, you don't have to be a mountain climber to get close to them. The Dolomites are accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level. Experienced guides offer winter hiking tours, from easy valley walks to tougher climbs. These tours are designed to cater to all fitness levels, ensuring that everyone can enjoy the beauty of the Dolomites. They'll give you all the equipment you need and teach you about the local plants, animals, and history. It's not just a hike, it's an educational adventure that enriches your experience. But sometimes, it's fun to just be a kid again. The Dolomites offer plenty of opportunities to let loose and enjoy the simple pleasures of winter. And what better way to do that than sledding? It's an activity that brings joy to people of all ages, from young children to adults. The Dolomites have lots of sledding runs, from easy slopes for families to faster runs that will get your heart pumping. Whether you're looking for a gentle ride or an exhilarating descent, there's a sledding run for you. So, lace up your boots and get ready to explore the winter magic of the Dolomites. After a day outside, there's nothing like returning to a cozy mountain lodge. But we're not talking about roughing it here. The Dolomites are known for their luxurious places to stay, many with amazing spas. Picture yourself in a steaming outdoor hot tub, surrounded by snowy peaks. The steam rises around you, smelling like pine trees. As you relax in the warm water, you feel all your stress melt away. And the saunas are amazing. They have all kinds of saunas. Sweating out toxins feels so good, especially when you can follow it up with a cold plunge or a massage. So whether you want an exciting adventure or a chance to relax, the Dolomites have something for everyone. The Dolomites aren't just about skiing. They're full of culture and tradition, especially at Christmas. Imagine walking through charming squares in Bolzano or Murano, where colorful stalls are filled with handmade ornaments, warm clothes, and the smell of roasted chestnuts. As snowflakes fall, families gather, drinking warm, spiced wine. The air is filled with festive music and laughter, creating memories that will last forever. Don't forget to buy a unique souvenir. It's the perfect way to bring a piece of the Dolomites home. For something really special, take a ride on the Renan cable car. This isn't just any cable car, it's a trip through amazing scenery. As you go up from Bolzano, the city looks like a tiny Christmas village, while the peaks of the Dolomites get closer. The cable car goes smoothly over vineyards and forests, showing you charming Alpine farms. It's like a real-life Christmas card. Whether you hike the trails at the top or relax in a mountaintop cafe, the Renan cable car is a must-do. Planning a trip to the Dolomites? The best time for skiing and snowboarding is between December and March, when the snow is perfect. But remember, this is the busy season, so book your hotels early, especially if you want to go to a popular place like Cortina. Now, even if you don't ski, the Dolomites are just as magical in the spring and fall. Imagine crisp autumn air, colorful leaves on the mountains. It's a hiker's dream. Or imagine the first flowers of spring when wildflowers cover the meadows and birds are singing. Packing for a winter trip to the Dolomites? The key is layers. The weather can change quickly, so be prepared. Think warm underlayers, a cozy fleece, and a waterproof jacket. Don't forget gloves, a warm hat, and waterproof boots. Even though it's winter, the sun can be strong, so pack sunscreen. And of course, you'll want to take pictures, so don't forget your camera. You'll be taking lots of photos. With a little planning and the right clothes, you'll be ready for the Dolomites. So, there you have it, the Dolomites. Whether you want to ski, eat delicious pasta in cozy mountain huts, or just enjoy the Alpine charm, this part of Italy has something for everyone. This isn't just a ski trip, it's a journey, an escape into a winter wonderland that you'll remember forever. Ready to plan your own Dolomite adventure? Like this video and subscribe for more travel ideas. And tell us in the comments, what's your perfect winter getaway? Until next time, happy travels.